Sanibonani, Dumelang, Abshini, back again. Back with another video, or should I say, Orlando Pirates is back. The real Orlando Pirates is back, Bafethu. Nisibonile na niscore. Orlando Pirates 1. Siwelele 0. Bafethu, before I continue with this video, please subscribe to your boy. Press the subscribe button, like the video, comment down below. Any content is our future. And yeah, let's talk about it. Orlando Pirates, we haven't lost since this international break, by the way, Bafethu. We haven't lost Abdeslam. Absolum, yabo. Abdeslam, you are doing the right things. I'm happy that you are listening not only to the fans, but you are listening to the players. Because that's that lineup, first 2-3 games, that was absolute abomination. It was self-destruction, you know. But now he's doing the right things. The substitutions are on point. The lineup, yaboni lineup ya kumanje, say stayed now. Goalkeeper, back four, midfield, attacking. The only issue I have, Bafethu, the only issue is he throws Umasangwani back. He throws Tito back, which I don't like. I personally feel Tito has to sit on the bench. You either start Umufukeng in that 10 position or you start to Umbule in the 10 position. Because when I saw the lineup, I was like, no Umbule, Tito is back. I was like, okay, let me give it a try. Let's see who against Zagalan. At the end of the day, the substitutions have helped. Apolis, once again, as a super sub, he's doing his thing, Bafethu. Apolis, you are my signing of the season. I don't care anything. So far, Apolis is the signing of the season to PSL. And he's playing brilliant football. Abdeslam, Nyaktaela. Don't change it up. Okay, Champions League this weekend, I expect you to win. You can rotate there and there. But when we come to the league, play your strongest team. I do not care who it is. I do not want to see Utito in that lineup. Yeah, you can play Utito on some of the games. I understand the manner of approach of the game. The opponent you're playing, you're thinking, let's see if I can do this, let me do this. Because Yamazushan in piano would take a last game, Lumfanalo. Angaz against Agalani, Shushan, but he's not a 90-minute player. But Tito himself is not a 90-minute player. Tito, yeah, Mfaya against the lower opposition. See, no disrespect, it is a lower opposition. Reincarnation of his super sport, or should I say reincarnation of Bloemfontein Celtic. But most of the players are coming from his super sport. But my point is, don't change the lineup too much. Don't tinker too much in league games. Kuma league games, play your strongest lineup. Because let me tell you something. We are only two games away from Sundowns. Sundowns is Shanga 2 points. We win those 2 games, we are only a point behind the Sundowns. Do you understand? Only a point behind the Sundowns. I do not want to see myself away from the Sundowns. The Sundowns la isentini mina ngile Gomora. Aye, mile sibe sisentini sonke or siye Gomora sonke. Ni understand our fit. The lineup, no problem. Only Utito. And another issue I want to raise, Bafethu. The strikers are not scoring enough. In a league campaign, we need a striker who's going to score 15 goals maximum. In order to win the league, we need a striker to score 15 or maximum. Or if not, the whole team has to contribute. The whole attack has to contribute number goals. So far, we're not doing that. That's why I was so pissed off that we didn't sign De Jong from Stellenbosch. Umatala De Jong bekumele simsign in Bafethu. Yamchitalo was going to be a perfect addition in this team. Imagine going in the league campaign, Mabasa, Makgopa, De Jong. Imagine that. Are you telling me you're not confident as a Pirates fan going into ama game? Good, yazin. I've got 3 strikers. They can do a job for me. De Jong, he's a goal scorer, he's a provider. Nyamazi, I've seen De Jong play. He's a goal scorer and he's a provider too. Makhopa siyazi ukuthi uyini, uyigandaganda laphaya. Uyamosha laphaya uDe Jong. Usonik nje. He went straight to distract. Then Mabasa, we know he's a poacher. He's a poacher on goal. Give him the ball, cross him the ball, play him the ball quick, he will score. That's why I was so pissed off with Asimsanang with De Jong. But anyway, now we have to rely on Abo Radio 2000, Nombutuma. Where are they? Bagupi. Ninjelile bafethu. This league needs experience. Labafana laba bayithu abana experience. So if ukuzolima Mabasa noMakhopa, we have to rely on these 2 boys. Radio 2000, Nombutuma. We have to rely on them, and I do not want that to happen. If my 2 strikers get injured, we are in deep trouble. I hope that does not happen, but we'll see as we go on. Once again, Bafethu, Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. We are 4th in the league now. We are 4th, a point behind the enemy. We are a point behind the enemy. But ibabuyile bona yithi, but iKaizer Chiefs ibuyile. No. We are a point behind you. Niqale strong. Momentum yansiyaphela. Thina, our momentum is starting to get better. Bafethu, please subscribe to the boy. I'm out.